What's going on YouTube? How's everybody doing? Just a really quick update video on what I think is going on in the markets, what's going on with cryptocurrency right now. I know it could be a little bit depressing. We're gonna continue to see downward sell pressure for a while. I think I'll go over all my ideas. I just wanted to come on here and make this quick video. Sorry, for the absence of editing and stuff like that. But yeah, guys. So long weekend in America. I don't know where you guys live. Memorial Day weekend. So people are kind of taking a break. I can see it in my office. I can see it kind of in the market. So remember, what I've noticed, and maybe you've noticed it too, the whales they like to manipulate people when they know they're taking a break. So a lot of times you'll see, dumps around like lunchtime. A lot of times you'll see dumps on weekends. Weekends are typically slow for cryptocurrency in general. So right now, again, I'm optimistic. I'm still bullish. I still think long term, at least in the next couple of months, we're gonna see it retest all-time highs for every cryptocurrency. That's foundationally, I am bullish still. Okay, even though it's really hard to be a bull right now, and I know a lot of people are coming out and saying that they're bearish. But I look, this is why I told you guys for a while, and I got a lot of negative backlash. Everybody's getting backlash. I get it. All cryptocurrency YouTubers are getting backlash. So I'm not going to take it personal. But people were mad at me because I sold. They call me paper hands. But like, how long ago did I sell though? Let's just really think about that. There's a lot of people, including like Alex Becker, some other big time YouTubers, BitBoy Crypto, that are just now in the last 2 or 3 days coming out and saying that they're selling their cryptocurrency. And I'm not trying to capitalize on this. I'm just saying I got out like 10 days ago with not everything, but a large percentage of my portfolio. And I think the only mistake I made is not updating you guys. And maybe some people might hate me for that, or whatever the case is, or wasn't able to convince you to do it with your portfolio. Obviously, none of this is financial advice, but I do have an obligation to my people to update them with my research. And I just genuinely feel like I'm not trying to rub it in your face. That's not my goal at all. And also, I will say that I'm foundationally bullish. And for your emotions, remember what you got into this for, right? What did you guys really get into it for? Think about it, like deep. You wanted to see a change. They're still printing money. It's a hedge against monetary inflation. We see the numbers. We see a negative 52% decline. We see that with our eyes in the market. We see it, including myself. So it hurts us more. But the things they don't tell you, like the consumer price index, inflation, how it's manipulated, how the monetary supply is manipulated, is not seen front and center. So it's easy to forget that we are already losing money and purchasing power on other things. Things are becoming more expensive before your eyes. Are you not witnessing this? Wood is up over 400%. We have supply chain issues. There was a chicken shortage. There's so many things that you could see the cracks in the economy. So again, you really have to dig deep and ask yourself, why were you in this for the first place? Were you in this to make money short term? Now, if you've been following me for a long time, we're not in this for the short term. We're in this for the life-changing wealth opportunity, the ability to exit the matrix and help generations, right? The generations of family that become after us. And it's not going to be easy. I don't know who told you guys that this was going to be easy. So this is my rally call to everybody that might have lost money. You're still in the market. Lower your emotions. Let's get a grip. Okay. Let's look at this logically, right? Because at the end of the day, I'm in this forever. Are you in it forever? Or are you really just here for money? Right? Because if you're here for money, look, I always talk about, detaching emotionally from money. Because think about it, like even on the downside, obviously it hurts. Everybody, that's the most obvious one. The most obvious thing about money is that when it goes down, you lose money, you feel the negative effects, you get emotional, right? But the non-obvious thing is the upside. And people don't really experience that because not a lot of people have like 7 figures, not a lot of people have 6 figures. Guys, it's pretty much the same thing. Now, I don't want to be like spoiled. That's not what I'm saying. It's just that money has negative effects no matter where you are. If you think in terms of like money controlling your life, right? But if you completely detach, okay? If you completely detach and just look at it from a logical perspective, it's usually better. And I mean, I experience it. I'm not completely detached. There's times where I look at money, and it really affects me. Like when I made a lot of money at first, it affected me and I got lazier, right? I got lazier, less fulfilled. You know, I know it sounds corny, but more money, more problems is a real thing. It's a real thing. So just remember, at the end of the day, everything's relevant. Everything's relevant, right? You know, you lose money, you're going to hate your life and then be happy. You make money, you're going to hate your life and be happy. It's relevant. And the level of happiness is not going to increase with money. I don't care who told you that. Whoever told you that, I know it's like the deep thing that sounds corny. Oh, you know, money buys happiness. It's actually not true. Money buys physical items, and you have to detach yourself from that to actually receive money. It's kind of like a double inception. Like, you actually make more money the less attached you are to it. So yeah, that's my little spiel about that, to try to kind of help you guys. And for the people that lost like your whole entire life savings, I'm sorry, you know, you had to deal with that. But again, like, there's no reason why you can't double down and, like, you know, Gary Vee says, rise like a phoenix. Take control of your life and make things happen. Make things happen, because this is the time where everybody's in the same boat. And what I always tell you guys, do the exact opposite of what everybody else is doing. So if everybody's panicking, freaking out, and being emotional, be the exact opposite. And maybe trade the dip a little bit and make your money back. Because if you can think with a clear head, you can there's always a comeback story, guys. The hero's journey is a real thing. And there could be a comeback story for cryptocurrency. There could be a comeback story for your own portfolio. There could be a comeback story and a hero's journey for your own life, guys. And I really want you to take what I just said seriously. Get your mental health in order. Get some sleep. I'm having issues with sleep. I'm trying to solve that for myself. Start working out. Get the blood flowing. Feel better. Eat healthier. Talk to your family. Love life. Respect life for what it is, because money is just a small thing in life. That's all it is. And if you can face that reality, you win the game. You exit the matrix. You're going to be able to sleep better. You're going to feel better. And when the market comes back, because it ultimately will, because we're in this for the long haul. We're in this for what it really is. When the market comes back, you will be happy again. It's okay. But yeah, I'm not hot and cold, guys. It's just really hard to update you. I see it in the comment section. Oh, this guy has paper hands. He told us to sell. He's bipolar. No. Actually not. Actually, I'm just looking at it from a logical perspective, and there's sometimes where I'm bearish and sometimes when I'm bullish, and I'm looking at a very short time frame. But there's no way I'm going to hold all the way down, and I'm not going to miss the pump either. I'm not going to hold all the way down to zero. It's not happening. And I'm not going to miss the pump. When we see some major news and we see the market turn around, I'm getting right back into the market, and I'm going to hold just like I did last time and make a whole bunch of money, but I am not letting it affect me, and you should not let it affect you. That's it for this video, guys. If you like the quality of this content, hit like. If you don't, leave some constructive criticism. Subscribe for more video updates. And like I always say, I say it every time, if you don't get with it, you will get left behind. Thanks for watching this, guys. Hopefully this helped you a little bit. I'm trying to kind of, you know, help people out, because I see a lot of fear, a lot of hate in people's hearts, and there's no reason for that. Life is beautiful. You could be dying right now. You could not be alive. You could be born with some type of, you know, where you can't look at screens and actually trade and take advantage of the opportunity. You know what I mean? So, you know, have respect for life. That's it for this video, guys. Catch you in the next one.